Learn Japanese at Home, Self-Study Guide. In this video, we'll show you how to effectively learn Japanese using resources like Duolingo and online courses. First things first, let's set up your study space. Find a quiet and comfortable area where you can focus without distractions. Make sure you have your laptop or smartphone ready for accessing online resources. Introduction to Duolingo. Now, let's dive into Duolingo, a popular language learning app. Create a daily practice routine with Duolingo. Spend at least 20 to 30 minutes each day completing lessons and exercises. Consistency is key to language learning success. In addition to Duolingo, consider supplementing your learning with online courses. In the heart of every challenge lies an opportunity waiting to be seized. Part 2 of our journey begins now. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and Japanese Pod 101 offer in-depth courses taught by language experts. Practice your speaking and listening skills regularly. Use resources like language exchange apps or online forums to chat with native speakers. Track your progress to stay motivated. Set achievable goals and celebrate your milestones along the way. Learning Japanese at home through self-study is entirely possible with dedication and the right resources. With tools like Duolingo and online courses, you can make significant progress in your language journey. Start your Japanese learning journey today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more language learning tips and tutorials.